amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you a juice, I give you meat-free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Now let's do this, guys. All right, so what you want to do? Okay, get a large portion of cloves like this. All right, put it into your pot. Okay, so that's the cloves into the water, and then what we're going to do, I'm going to pour some hot water. What's about 1 cup of hot water in the pot like that. All right. Back in the days, that's what I used to do when I used to go to work early in the morning. I used to drink bay cloves water, guys. I used to drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Every morning I would put that in my flask and drink it when I'm driving to work. Okay, now I'm going to give you guys the same thing. I'm gonna tell you something. You can drink it also in the morning. This can help you to get rid of pesticide, worm, and detoxify your gut, the body, and reduce inflammation, fight against the C word where you may been talking about from the last couple of days. All right, if you need some good action, then this is really good for you. All right, cloves tea. Now, so what you want to do, you want to cover this for a bit, all right, and allow it for it to go jar in the meantime. Okay, all right, so in the meantime we just chop up the garlic. Okay, so we're going to add it to the liquid. Okay, just like that. All right, a good vibes. So once I add it, cover it and leave that for a couple more minutes. Make it want to simmer into the water. All right, so definitely 100% very powerful, very effective, and it's something which I did many times. It's not the first time doing cloves water. All right, I do it a lot. Okay, if you guys watching my program, you can know that I used to do it a lot back then. All right, but a long time I don't do any cloves tea. Sometimes I mix cloves with ginger. Sometimes I do cloves with garlic. Sometimes I do cloves with white onion, ginger, and all of those things. All right, but this one very powerful, very effective, and if you're looking for something which you want to work with, all right, then this goes down really well for you. I will encourage you to do this at home. 100% effective of it, and the power of the garlic and the cloves mixed together, it is better than the V word. You guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, because a lot of people, let's take a good look right there. Okay, this is it, guys. All right, this is it. This is how it look how simple it is. Very simple and very effective. Okay, healthy. You will 100% feel good, 100% naturally, 100%. You're just amazing to find out, to feel the way you're gonna feel. You're gonna be like, wow, Now, this is one of the tea which is very powerful, can get rid of cold and flu and reduce inflammation to build up inside of your gut. Well, you can do your own research on it. And garlic and cloves. All right, you can off at the moment, get yourself a copy and support the progress. Okay, yeah, first thing in the morning, and also you can drink it before you go to bed at night, like what I'm doing right now. Okay, drink it for about 10 days, 1 in the morning, 1 at night, 1 at night, 1 in the morning. All right, and you will see exactly good benefit from this tea. Now, all right, so as you guys can see, hope you guys will enjoy it. It's just garlic and cloves. Yeah, you can put a few seeds, you know what I mean, on top of it, like that. Beautiful recipe. This is very good for you, boosts the immune system, and also very good. Can cloves used for everything. Everything I use cloves in that. I use cloves to cook with, clean with, tea, porridge, soup, everything you can use cloves for. Cloves is one of the most powerfulest spice in the world. Otherwise, from cinnamon and all those things, but otherwise, cloves is good for your toothache. If you have toothache, good for bad breath. It's good for get rid of worm out of your gut. It's anti-inflammatory or whatever one I want to call it. It's so much that there's not even words to explain. So, but it's also very good for if you're at home and you want to build yourself properly instead of buying the medication at the pharmacy. Then cloves is good. So, all right. So, just want to let you guys know that you can give it a try and give it a go at home. Enjoy the recipe and be grateful. Leave your comments.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.